Hello and welcome to Geeky Bit. I have two Sony drives here. This one right here and this one right here. Now there's something different about them, and it isn't just the front of them. You might not know this, but if we take a look here, this has a connector like that, and then this connector. And this one, well, it also has a connector, that right there. So both of these drives made by Sony are for two different systems. This is for a PC compatible system, and this is for a Macintosh. But as you can see, they both virtually look identical, except for the bottom. Isn't that interesting? But these are definitely both floppy disk drives.